Hey everyone, I'm out on a walk on this cloudy winter day, and it made me think about all the different ways we can say that it's cloudy. So of course we can just say it's cloudy outside, but we can also say it's overcast. It's another way to say that it is cloudy. It is overcast. We can also say that it's gray. It's really gray outside today. Everything's kind of washed out. The sky is gray. And a couple other adjectives that we can use to talk about a cloudy day. We can say that it's kind of gloomy. It's a little gloomy outside today. And it's a little dreary. That's a good one. It's kind of hard to say. Dreary. It's a little dreary outside. Now today is pretty much 100% cloudy. But if there was just like a few tiny bits of sun, we could say it's mostly cloudy, because there might be just like a peak of sun, mostly cloudy. And if it was maybe, half cloudy, half sunny, we might say it's partly cloudy. What's the weather like by you? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time.